Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to download Trust Wallet on PC. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Since Trust Wallet is a mobile application, we need to download it through Bluestacks. Let me show you how. Open the web browser on your PC and go to bluestacks.com. Now download this app to your PC. Bluestacks lets us download mobile apps on our PC. So tap Download Bluestacks 5. When done, open the Bluestacks app and tap Playstore. So, similar to your mobile device, type Trust Wallet on the search bar. And tap Install. Now that Trust Wallet has been downloaded, open it. You can now freely use Trust Wallet on your PC. So that's how you download Trust Wallet on PC. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.